had some extra carrots today, so I thought I would take this opportunity to show you how to improve your knife skills. And I'm going to show you how to brunoise, julienne, and make planks, all from a carrot. So before you do anything, you're going to take your peeled carrot and just get it situated so that you can make your shapes. So you're going to start by cutting it in half. And what you want to do is you need to square this off. That way all your shapes will be even. So you're just going to cut around the carrot until you get a square. I know what you're thinking, this is probably going to be wasteful, but you can save your veggie scraps so that you can make your own veggie stock. Alright, so almost there. Now we're going to work on the other side, make sure that's as square as possible. Okay, alright. Okay, so now you have your square. You can start by making planks. Okay, here's a plank. Now we're going to julienne. So you're going to take your plank and just cut into strips, also known as matchsticks. Alright, so we have a couple of matchsticks. Next we're going to do a brunoise, and that's going to make these little squares. So you're going to line up your matchsticks and just chop. And here's your brunoise. Now you can show off your knife skills.